Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Suffering from cough and cold can be quite a painful ordeal. I myself have been down with cold for the past 1 week and finally on the way to recovery. For me, other than the medication, doing a lot of steaming, drinking warm water, and drinking hot kadha works very well. Kadha is basically this herbal drink that my mom makes for me, which helps in building up immunity. I'll put the recipe in the description below. Other than that, when I'm feeling really congested, have a bad headache, and just find breathing tough, I like doing a few simple yoga stretches which help in relieving the congestion. So we'll go through these today. You'll need a few pillows for this practice. Once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
Come into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Just close your eyes, straighten your back, and center yourself. Open your eyes. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, drop your head to the left to bring the left ear close to the shoulder. Bring the left hand on the right side of the head and gently pull the head down. Slowly release. Now bring the head to the right side. Gently pull the head down with the right hand and release the hand. Now as you inhale, roll the head back, and as you exhale, bring it on the left side. Again, inhale, roll the head back, and exhale, bring it to the right. Let's do a few more of these half rotations. Inhale, roll back. Exhale, come to the side. Inhale, roll back. Exhale to the side. Keep breathing and keep going at your own pace. A simple neck stretch can relieve symptoms of a bad cold and reduce the tension around the neck and the chest where there might be congestion. Last one, and come back to center. Now bring both the hands in front of you. Interlace the fingers. As you inhale, take both the arms up. You can keep the elbows soft. Again, as you inhale, drop your head back and look up towards the hands. Stay here for a breath. As you exhale, bring the hands down. Again, inhale, bring both the hands up, and exhale. Inhale, roll the head back. Stay for a breath and slowly bring the hands down. Last time, inhale, bring the hands up. Exhale. Now as you inhale, gently bend to the left and look up. As you exhale, come back. Again, inhale, bend to the right. Exhale, come back. Let's do a couple more. Inhale, bend. Exhale, come back. Inhale, bend. Exhale, come back. Inhale, bend. Exhale, come back. Last one. Inhale, bend. Exhale, come back. Slowly bring the hands down. Let's do some shoulder rotations now. As you take a deep breath in, push the shoulders up and back. And as you exhale, complete the rotation. Let's do a few of these while taking deep, relaxing breaths. Being sick can make us stoop forward and contract our chest. This will help in opening the chest and shoulders. Keep going on and slowly come back. Now take both the hands behind and interlace the fingers. As you inhale, drop your head back to come into a mini back bend. Squeeze the shoulder blades together and feel the nice stretch in the chest. Slowly come back. Now bring both the hands in front of you. Step your feet forward and come into an easy forward bend. Keep your knees bent. You can hold both the elbows with opposite hands and let your head drop forward. Just hang here for a bit, letting gravity take over. You can roll side to side, taking deep breaths. This simple inversion helps in improving blood flow and relieving cough and congestion in an easy manner. Slowly bring the hands down. Bring the knees to the floor and come down to child's pose. Widen your knees to make space for your abdomen and chest. You can bring both the hands together on top of each other and place your forehead on them. This will help in keeping the chest lifted. You can slowly roll the forehead side to side, gently massaging the area. This is the area where we generally feel the sinus pain, and massaging this can help in relieving the congestion. Slowly roll back up. Then bring your legs in front of you. Bend the left leg and bring the left foot on the outside of the right knee. Then place the right arm around the left knee. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly twist to the left, taking support from the left hand. Keep your chin in line with the chest and do not yank it backwards, as this can cause coughing. Just twist gently, keeping a straight back and your chest open. Slowly come back. Switch legs. Wrap the left arm around the right leg. Inhale. And as you exhale, twist to the right. Practicing this asana helps in rejuvenating internal organs and clearing away toxins and mucus that might be trapped around the chest or the lungs. Slowly come back. Now fold your knees and bring both the feet together in front of you. Grab hold of the feet with your hands and pull them in slightly so that you feel a stretch in your inner thighs. As you inhale, straighten your back and raise the chest up. As you exhale, fold forward, bringing the hands to the ground. Keep your neck and shoulders relaxed. Stay here in Baddha Konasana or the butterfly pose for a few breaths. Come back up. Then place a couple of pillows behind you, close to your tailbone. Place 2 more pillows on top, slightly staggered away. Adjust your bums so that they are touching the lower pillow, and then gently recline all the way back to come into Supta Baddha Konasana. Let your hands fall on either sides. Let your knees fall out with gravity and keep breathing deeply. You can also place a thick blanket on your feet, as the weight can feel really nice. stay here and keep taking deep, relaxing breaths. You can get up when you are ready. I hope this practice has helped you today. Drink lots of water, stay hydrated, and get well soon. Bye-bye.